Now it's time to ditch PowerPoint and keynotes. I'm introducing Pitch to you guys. So by using Pitch, you can make different presentations and you can edit the templates. But it's not completely free, you have to buy subscription. For individuals who want to sleek presentations, Pitch is completely free for them. They have also written what this includes. But for professionals, you have to buy a subscription. Monthly and yearly packages are available. And now I'm gonna open the Pitch app. First you have to sign in. I'm continuing with Google. Here you can see how Pitch works in mobile. I will gonna open the first team folder. After opening the team folder, you can access all the presentations created by your team. Here, after reviewing the presentation, you can leave comments here by clicking on the comment option at the bottom. You can leave any kind of comments, remarks, and you can also react on the presentation. And you can also check the slide status, like whether it's in progress or it's done. You can also assign this to your team members. Pitch mobile app basically provide a platform where you can easily view, comment on your presentations while using mobile. A mobile app is limited to editing, but it is very convenient for monitoring your team's work. So now by clicking on the option share with me, you can review presentations shared by different peoples. You can also review your private presentations here. Now by clicking on the notification option, you can see all the updates, and in the subscribed you can get all the notifications about subscription packages. Now I will gonna open a slide for you guys. I will show you how it looks. So here they are editing a text. You can change text color, style. You can also add GIFs. You can also change position of the GIFs. You can also change template style, color. You can use templates and later on you can customize them according to your need. That was all about Pitch. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.